We got another package. Alright, let's check it out. Doggy, did you already get in there? Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we have something from Vickers Guide. Feel free to research their various items that are available. Again, Vickers Guide. Shout out to Larry Vickers and his endeavors into the publishing world. And let's get you out of the way. Thank you. And I already went ahead and opened the tape portion because this was heavily taped. So just to speed things up here. It originally came like this. There was fold over section. It's overlapped, so you can see how that was. Looks like they have inserts. Titles from shifting, and this should be a 2-volume set of the reissue of the 1911 volumes. So, just for reference, just happen to have one of the bookshelves here, and okay, this was the original first edition of Vickers Guide, 1911 here. So if you notice, there is no symbol, which usually means the subsequent edition. So this was just a quick look at first edition. So now we're looking at second edition. So you can see the Ordnance logo there. This looks like volume 2, so if we actually go back this way, a lot of insert pieces. These are all recycled. And I don't see any manifest. Kind of different from the last time. So this came from Tennessee. Interesting. Okay, so let me see if I can raise this up a little bit here. Easier viewing. So we have volume 1, and then we have volume 2, and they are different models. This one has an April 1897 patent, updated through 1902-1905. The Hartford marking. This one here is more interesting. This one's more modern. Here we have a Mark IV Series 70, and then it's also remarked as LA Vickers Custom. Nice. Let's go look at the back covers. I'm not going to open these until later for copyright reasons as well. Just want to give you guys a quick look at the unboxing. See different models, a couple sample rounds, barrel attachment at the end, cutaway, if you can see that, and various grip and finish options. So it does it right there. These definitely look more custom models here. So again, just a quick look at an unboxing of Vickers Guide 1911 second edition, which now expanded into, or expanded edition, how about that, now has volume 1 and 2. They also have other titles out there as well. Check at Vickers Guide for availability of their other title series. It's been another unboxing video. Feel free to check out others on the channel. We also do show and tell videos on vintage, milsurp, tools, and other expanded topics. We also do more page by page, cover to cover book review, media reviews. And we also do curios for the curious, videos and more artsy type objects. Feel free to check all those out. Feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See you next time.